The overall goal of this procedure is to design and manufacture a glasses-type wearable device that detects the patterns of temporalis muscle activities during food intake and other physical activities.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of monitoring of ingestive behaviors, such as food intake detection during a meal. The main advantage of this technique is that the patterns of temporalis muscle activity during the food intake can be detected automatically and objectively using a pair of glasses. The manufacturing procedure will be demonstrated by Wonjoon, a mechanical engineer at our company. The data collection procedure will be done by Jo, who is also at our company.
Key to the experiment are the circuit modules, which must be manufactured. There are two, one for the left and right temples in a pair of glasses. The left module contains a load cell, connector, instrumentation amplifier, voltage regulator, and battery connector. The right module has a microcontroller with Wi-Fi, UART connector, multiplexer, amplifier, connector, and load cell. In addition to the circuits, glasses frames have to be fabricated. The frames must be able to support the printed circuit board modules. To create the frames, use a 3D modeling tool to draw a model of the headpiece of the glasses and its two temple pieces. Export the drawings to CAD stereolithography files for 3D print.